Kayla, hi Dan, lovely to have you here today. How's Future Build been?
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I think it's just great to be back in a physical environment again.
Yeah,
the
so
last one we
nice.
came to was 2020, I think.
Yeah, 2020. So.
Seems such a long time ago now.
It's
doesn't
mental,
it?
isn't it?
A lot has changed, but it's great to see a lot of the other suppliers here as well, and a few good talks.
Yeah. So what do you think the biggest change this year has been that you've seen from some of the stands or some of the talks?
I think that promotion of healthy buildings has been really pushed recently.
Yeah.
Rightly so, to be honest, with increasing air quality, ventilation, biophilia as well, just to make buildings a nicer place to go to, especially as we've been working from home. So
Yeah.
you've got to try and encourage people to get back into the office.
And we've seen such a change, haven't we, in the last couple of years of how people work, how people use space, how buildings are occupied. I mean, obviously as a fit-out contractor from yourselves, what have been the major changes for you in the industry?
We're definitely having the offices coming back, and obviously the hybrid working, especially one of the talks was actually saying about it's all very well doing and well-being within the new buildings, but we obviously have to focus on the ones that we're currently in as well. So bringing in the foliage and things like that, sorting out ventilations, and then it's down to the client as well as the developer to make sure that Cat A ventilation and things are still throughout, so you don't kind of not knowingly go back to old ways, just keep it in as much as you can.
And Kayla, you mentioned in a conversation that we had that actually you've noticed from some of the talks they're talking a little bit about retrofit as well. How has that impacted you guys at the moment?
So an interesting stat that I picked up on one of the talks was that 80% of the buildings in 2050 are actually already in existence. So it's important, especially as us as contractors, to retrofit as many of those rather than rebuilding.
Yeah.
And it does also remind me of a job we did at Walborough Lane, where we increased the height of the roof by 2.5 metres.
Yeah.
So
buildings
that,
are being
yeah,
changed
because
and
we could have
adapted
demolished
to-
that and built
yeah.
it up again at a higher level, but I think that's really important for the sustainability side.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've got Brianne very good as well. So.
Yeah, it's reusing the material instead of just throwing it away. And
And it's amazing here today. I think you can see that from the variety of stands that you've got. It's not just buildings and sort of technologies that go behind in creating the buildings, it's actually the products that are being ensued and built with. So it's really interesting to see. Dan, Kayla, thank you very much for joining me. Brilliant.
Really enjoyed it.
We hope you found this video from Fabric useful. For more, don't forget to subscribe, browse our playlists, and please like or share this video. Thanks for watching.